Okay, so in this video we're going to look at just finding a fault in Nick's drive and fixing it. So obviously this is something that you're going to have to be able to do when it comes to your part 3 or standards check. Being able to adapt the lesson is really important. So when you have a lesson plan ready and you're going along, if Nick was to make a mistake, we can't just ignore that. We've got to fix it. So that's what we're going to be looking at. We've already agreed that we're going to do meeting situations. So Nick's already aware that he is going to be just driving along, coming up with meeting situations. We've already agreed that he's going to do them independently, and then he's going to throw a fault in somewhere. I'm going to find it, and then we're going to what we call see it, say it, sort it. So I'm going to spot the fault. We'll say it. We're going to talk about it, discuss it, why it happens, what's the risk of it happening, agree a level of responsibility on how we fix it. Okay. So are you happy with that, Nick?
Yep.
Happy to continue with that?
Absolutely, yes.
Cool. Okay, so when you are ready, if you'd like to move off when it's safe, please. We're just going to continue for now, mate, alright? Take the next road on the left, please. And then at the end of the road, we're going to turn left.
Say left at the end of the road.
Yes, mate, please. So we're aware of what time of day it is.
Certainly am. Is this speed all right?
Yeah, speed's fine. Why do you think this speed's good?
Can't really see what's happening.
Exactly, yeah. Drive safely within the distance that we can see to be clear. Okay, we're going to take the next road on the left, please.
Low sun.
Good time of year. Okay, so we've driven around here before, haven't we? So you're going to be alright with this one, yeah?
Yep,
It's still okay to continue by yourself?
Yep.
Yeah, alright.
Thought she was going to cross then.
Yeah, I know, yeah, we saw that. We're going to turn left at the mini roundabout, please, Nick. remember what distance we give when we go around parked cars? Do you remember what we spoke about?
Is it about half a metre?
No, door width. Okay, so that's a little bit too close there. Just
Oh.
come away from the cars for me a second.
I'm just concerned about cars
Okay.
coming to the road.
Okay, well, was there anything coming towards you?
Oh, no.
No, okay. Alright, so if this car, let's move away.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
About a door's width there,
Oh,
yeah?
yeah.
Okay, why do you think we give a door's width? Can you think why?
In case they open the car door.
In case they open that car door. Yeah, if they open that car door. Alright, so you're going to be okay with these ones? Do you think you'll be alright?
Yeah.
Okay, not too bad. What are we doing here?
Stopped.
I think he's letting you go, mate.
Okay.
How do you think I could tell he was letting you go there?
Stopped.
Yeah, he'd stopped and he'd waited there for a while. Turns out I actually know him. That's why. Okay. Okay, well, we did all right with that. Obviously, we got too close to the cars, but we fixed it, didn't we?
Yep.
Yeah, is that something you've forgotten, but now you remember?
Yep.
Okay, good. All right, so we're going to continue, and then when we get to the end of the road, we're going to turn right, please.
Okay. So I'm all right getting all across here like that.
Yeah, that's it. Because there's nothing coming towards you. I mean, you have to get around them, don't you? You can't go through them.
Yeah.
As long as you've planned ahead.
I can't see.
Yeah. You're doing the right thing. You're making sure it's safe before you commit, which is good. Can be a nightmare junction, this one.
Certainly can.
Okay, we're going to take the next road on the right, please, Nick. And then left at the end of this road, please, mate.
So I did all right slowing down there because that car was there.
What, just then?
Yeah.
Well, you saw it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you look in your centre mirror before you slowed down?
Oh, no.
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 Okay. So we're going to turn right at the roundabout, please. Mini roundabout.
It's all right, isn't
Alright. So we're just going to get around this roundabout. Okay. So which way did we just turn there? Left or right? At the roundabout.
it? Turned right.
Turn right, okay. So would you think it was necessary to have to check your left mirror? What mirrors do we check when we turn right?
Oh, centre and right.
Centre and right mirror, didn't we? Yeah. What made you think that you had to check your left one?
I don't know. I just.
Maybe it's because you was coming around that car.
Yeah.
Because there was a car maybe just before the roundabout, maybe.
Yeah.
Which is fine, but you still need to have a right mirror check, don't we?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna. Do you want to maybe go around and look at that again?
Yeah.
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 Okay. When we get to the end of this road, mate, we're going to turn right, please. those, aren't you?
Yeah.
That was alright. I think you just had a little mistake. So do you want me to, because you've been alright with them normally, so do you want me to remind you about them, or?
No, I think it was just the car on the left hand side, very close to the junction, that, that threw me a little bit.
Okay, so we're just going to do a loop. There's no other quicker way around back to it, unfortunately. That's good planning there, mate.
Was that space all right as well?
That space, yeah, you did really well with that. That's good.
Good.
Something we've been working on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. How do you think your mirror checks were there, just around that last bit of bend?
I forgot that right one again.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we're going to be taking the next road on the right. What do you think we need to be doing here? Good. All right. What gear are we going? What gear should we be in, mate? There.
Oh, probably first.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to turn right here. Well, I think first gear would probably have been a better choice at that situation.
And stop me from going too fast and probably stalling.
Yeah, probably stalling out, but a bit too slow for second gear, weren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so at the end of the road, we're going to turn right, please, Nick. So here, for example, what gear do you think we should be choosing here?
First.
Okay.
I can't see a thing.
Okay. Yeah, you're doing the right thing there. You're creeping out. It's good. Mini's waiting for you. Right. What are we going to do here?
Let's stop just here.
Okay. She's letting you go. That's good job you had it in first gear, wasn't it?
Yeah. You're not supposed to flash your headlights though, are you?
You're not, oh yeah. Can you remember what a flashing the headlight actually means? According to the highway code.
Is it sort of making people aware that you're there?
Yeah, it's more like a warning. But I think in that situation there, really, we sort of knew what she meant, don't we?
Yeah.
That's why you have to sort of read the situations, really. Okay, so you're happy with this first gear thing that we mentioned?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right. For example, what we're going to do here. Oh, he's turning anyway. So not a lot.
Yeah.
All right, we're coming up to this mini roundabout again.
Yep.
What did we forget last time?
Right mirror.
Right mirror, okay. We've forgotten it on around that other car, haven't we?
Yes.
So do you think it's something you want me to help you with, or do you think you'll be all right now?
I think I'll be all right.
Okay, so when we get to the mini roundabout, mate, we're going to turn right, please.
Moving out for the car.
All right, good.
Just check my mirrors again. Because
Good.
I've got the indicator on. Tell people going. Quick check of that left.
Yeah.
And then back to that right
Very
mirror.
good. Yeah.
And then first gear because I'm going to slow down.
Good. Good stuff, mate. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, did that feel safer?
It just seemed an awful lot of mirror checks, that's all.
It is, but they're necessary, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, it's not often you get in that many, in a situation like that, to be fair.
No.
But we've got to make sure we're safe.
Yes.
Okay, Nick, just find a safe place to pull up on the left-hand side of the road, please, mate. Okay, handbrake and neutral. Good. All right, so how was that?
Yeah.
Yeah, your meeting situations have got a lot better there.
Yeah.
Compared to last lesson. Still a few little things coming in, isn't there? You know, sort of clearance away from cars and stuff.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you feel like you've learnt something?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The benefit of sort of giving cars space.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. If we was to sort of do another hour from now, what do you think? Working on, based on what we've been working on today, What do you think the next thing should be that we're working on? Because we can plan for that for the next lesson.
Yeah. I think I've not done it a great deal, but going faster than 30 miles an hour.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What kind of roads do you think that we could be on?
Country roads.
Country roads, yeah. So some backcountry roads.
Yeah.
Do you think we come into meeting situations on them? Do you think the skills that you've learned today, you'll be able to transfer over to them roads?
Probably.
What do you think we can encounter on those roads? Something for you to think about between now and next lesson.
Well, probably still going to have parked cars, aren't I?
Occasionally, yeah. What tends to be out in the country roads?
Tractors.
Tractors, yeah. There's a lot of farms, isn't there? A lot of farmland, especially in where we live.
Yeah.
What else?
Horses.
Horses, yeah. So
Cyclists.
Cyclists, yeah. It's popular cycle routes around here as well.
Yeah.
So for a little bit of sort of homework for your next lesson, have a think about what road signs you might come across.
Yes.
In these back roads to help you decide what you could be encountering in that area.
Yeah.
All right, but yeah, it's definitely something we can do next lesson.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Cool.
Marvelous.
All right.